in Kaffeehaus. Viennese Kaffeehäuser, or coffee houses or cafes, are very, very popular. So we're going to take a look at some things that would be part of a dialogue, or things you might hear, or ways to respond in a coffeehouse situation. Remember, this is for Vienna, so Österreich or Austria, just kind of the different coffee types. I'm going to annotate, talk about a few things in this dialogue as we go, and highlight a few things as well. I also recommend that as you look at this, I did include two people, just to kind of give you a variation of how people are ordering food. And then, of course, a waiter or waitress, a Kellner or Kellnerin. So you'll see Person 1, Person 1, Person 2, and then Kellner, Kellnerin as I go through the dialogue. If you're practicing pronunciation, you're welcome to pause and repeat after me as well. Of course, remembering I'm a non-native speaker, so I'll do my best, and I certainly can't fathom doing an Austrian accent. Entschuldigung, haben Sie noch einen Tisch für 2 Personen frei? Excuse me, do you have a table for 2 people available? Ja, hier ist noch ein Tisch frei. Möchten Sie eine Speisekarte? Ja, bitte. Kein Problem. Ich bringe Ihnen eine Speisekarte sofort. So just looking at this part of the dialogue, Speisekarte is menu. And this is saying, I'll bring you, plural, I'll bring you a menu immediately. Do remember, this is all formal German because you wouldn't know each other. I mean, Person 1 and Person 2 know each other, but certainly with the Kellner or Kellnerin, the waiter or waitress, or the food server, or the server, you're not on a first name basis. So, der Kellner oder die Kellnerin kommt zurück. They come back. And these are some things they might say. Möchten Sie schon Getränke bestellen? Haben Sie schon gewählt? Möchten Sie bestellen? Möchten Sie schon etwas zu trinken bestellen? Was darf es sein oder was darf's? Was möchten Sie bestellen? So basically all of these are like, are you ready to order? Möchten Sie schon Getränke bestellen? Would you like to order some drinks? So bestellen is sort of the word to consider, to order. Einen Moment bitte. Ich weiß noch nicht. Ich möchte schon etwas zu trinken bestellen. Ich hätte gerne einen Tee. So when it comes to tea, this is what the waiter or waitress might ask. Ja, wir haben schwarzen Tee. Grünen Tee und Früchttee. Black tea, green tea, fruit tea. Might also have Kräutertee, so herbal tea. Dann nehme ich einen grünen Tee. Ja, und für Sie? Was bekommen Sie? Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee, bitte. So, in Vienna, in a Viennese coffee house, cafe is just coffee, and so you have to be very specific. So Viennese coffees are different. So do look over the menu and see what you might like best. So they would probably ask you to specify. Eine Melange, kleine schwarze oder kleine braune. Eine Melange. And eine Melange is like espresso with frothy milk on top. Ah, die Melange kommt mit Milch. Möchten Sie Zucker? Mit Milch, aber ohne Zucker. So keep the milk, with milk, but without sugar. Möchten Sie sonst noch etwas? Ja, und ein Stück Sachertorte. Bitte sehr. Ein Stück Sachertorte, eine Melange und ein grüner Tee. Entschuldigung, könnten wir die Rechnung haben? Could we have the check? I always like to remember this word for like the day of reckoning, but yes, the bills are due. Entschuldigung, könnten wir die Rechnung haben? Ja, sicher. Zusammen oder getrennt? So are you ordering together? Are you paying together or are you paying separately? Getrennt. Was bezahlen Sie? Ich habe den Tee und Sachertorte. Das macht 6,70 €. In German, that would be written as 7,60 and then the euro symbol. But you would say it 7,60 €. So 7 euros and 60 euro cents. Machen Sie das 8. So person 2 is going to hand a 10 euro bill and tells the waiter or waitress to make it 8. So basically round up. So what happens? 10 euros, make it 8. The waiter or waitress will give back 2 euros change. So, danke. As often happens, change and money is usually exchanged at the table. On rare occasions, will a credit card or something be taken away from you, but if they do take credit cards at a place, which doesn't always happen either, they would have a handheld card device so you can watch the transaction happen. But it is polite to round up. So this person is done. Let's take a look and see what happens with person number 1. Ich habe die Melange. Das macht 3,20 € bitte. So once again, that would be written as 3,20. So the commas are like the periods. 4 €, bitte schön, stimmt so. So you hand them 4 euros, and basically you're saying, that's all, like, keep the change. Danke, einen schönen Tag noch. Danke gleichfalls. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Das Ende.